Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the stunning filming locations behind Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. In this video, we'll take you to the vibrant streets of Kolkata, the bustling city of Mumbai, the historic beauty of Orchha, and the jaw-dropping landscapes of Leh in Ladakh. Ready for the journey? Let's dive right in. We begin our journey in Kolkata, the cultural capital of India. Known for its rich heritage, iconic landmarks, and vibrant atmosphere, Kolkata was the perfect choice for shooting Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. Let's explore the must-visit spots in this fascinating city. First up, the Howrah Bridge, one of the busiest bridges in the world and a true icon of Kolkata. Spanning the Hooghly River, this architectural marvel connects the twin cities of Howrah and Kolkata. Whether you're crossing it by car or enjoying a scenic boat ride underneath, it's a must-see. Next is the Victoria Memorial, a grand structure built in memory of Queen Victoria. With its stunning marble architecture and beautiful gardens, it's a perfect blend of British and Mughal styles. Spend an afternoon here exploring the museum and enjoying a picnic on the lush lawns. For a spiritual experience, visit the Dakshineswar Kali Temple, one of the most revered temples in Kolkata. Situated on the banks of the Hooghly River, the temple is dedicated to Goddess Kali and draws thousands of pilgrims each year. Don't miss the boat ride across the river to experience the serenity of this place. Looking for a unique cultural experience? Head to Kumartuli, Kolkata's artisan village, where local craftsmen hand-sculpt intricate clay idols of deities, especially for Durga Puja. Watch the process unfold and witness the incredible skill of these artists. And of course, no visit to Kolkata is complete without indulging in the city's famous street food. From puchkas, pani puri, to kathi rolls, your taste buds are in for a treat. Next, we travel to Mumbai, the city that never sleeps and the home of Bollywood. Mumbai's energy, culture, and cinematic allure made it an essential location for filming Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. Let's explore the top places to visit here. One of Mumbai's most iconic landmarks, the Gateway of India, stands proudly facing the Arabian Sea. This grand archway was built in 1924 to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary. A trip to Mumbai wouldn't be complete without a photo in front of this historic monument. Next, take a walk or drive along Marine Drive, known as the Queen's Necklace because of its glittering lights at night. This 3-kilometer stretch offers stunning views of the sea, especially during sunset. It's the perfect spot to relax after a day of sightseeing. For art lovers and shopaholics, visit Colaba Market for unique souvenirs and Kalagoda, Mumbai's art district, filled with galleries, street art, and cozy cafes. This area is a blend of old-world charm and modern creativity. For a quieter side of Mumbai, relax on Juhu Beach with a plate of bel puri, or explore the wilderness at Sanjay Gandhi National Park, home to ancient Kanheri caves and lush greenery right in the middle of the bustling city. Leaving the bustling cityscapes behind, let's journey to Orchha, a hidden gem in Madhya Pradesh. This small town is a treasure trove of ancient palaces, temples, and breathtaking architecture, making it a perfect location for the grandeur of Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. The centerpiece of Orchha is the magnificent Jahangir Mahal, a palace built in the 17th century to honor Emperor Jahangir. Its unique blend of Mughal and Rajput architecture, combined with its panoramic views of the Betwa River, makes it a must-visit for history lovers. The Ram Raja Temple is one of the most unique temples in India, where Lord Rama is worshipped as a king. The temple's tranquil atmosphere and its evening aarti are a spiritual experience like no other. Nearby, visit the towering Chaturbhuj Temple and take a peaceful boat ride along the Betwa River, where you can view the stunning cenotaphs of Orcha's former rulers. Finally, we head north to the breathtaking landscapes of Leh, Ladakh. Known for its dramatic scenery, Leh is a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers alike. It's no surprise that Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 filmed here to capture the raw beauty of the region. One of the most iconic spots in Leh is Pangong Lake, with its crystal clear blue waters set against the backdrop of towering mountains. The lake changes color with the sunlight, creating a surreal experience for visitors. For a touch of spirituality, visit the Thixi Monastery, a beautiful Tibetan Buddhist monastery that offers panoramic views of the Indus Valley. Don't miss the morning prayer ceremonies for an immersive experience. Adventure seekers, brace yourselves. Crossing the Kardung La Pass, the highest motorable road in the world, is an adrenaline-filled experience that offers stunning views of the Himalayas. It's a must-do for any thrill seeker visiting Leh. From the cultural depths of Kolkata to the cinematic streets of Mumbai, the historic beauty of Orkha, and the adventure-filled landscapes of Leh, these locations played a key role in bringing Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 to life. If you're inspired to explore these incredible destinations yourself, make sure to add them to your travel bucket list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and film content.